All right, in this drawing, we're going to do drawing number 1. If you take a look at the picture, we're going to draw the front view first. Front view is in the shape of an L. The height is 2 inches, so we're going to go up from our starting point 2 inches, 2 points to make a line. Draw your construction line. Remember, you've already gotten your border and your starting point already done. And the width of the drawing is 3 inches. So we're going to go sideways 3 inches. And use your triangle. I just use my scale, but mine's metal and is perfectly straight. Then we have the height on the right side, which is 1 inch. So we're going to go 1 inch up and draw a construction line. And we're going to go 1 inch from the side and draw a construction line. And remember, your construction lines, you want to draw them from side to side. This will help you so that you don't have to measure every single time when you go from your front view to your top view or your front view to your side view. You already have these measurements done. And there's your shape. It's in the shape of an L. We want to go ahead and darken this in with an object line. And there's my shape. Remember, you want your corners to come to a nice, crisp point. To the top view, we want to skip up 1 inch. Doesn't really matter how far we skip up, but I want them all to be consistent, so we're going to skip up 1 inch to do the top view. The top view is the shape of a square and a rectangle sitting next to each other. They are 1 inch in width. So again, we're going to go 1 more inch up and draw the construction line. And there's the top view, square and a rectangle. So let's go ahead and darken those in. And there's your top view. So we're going to do the side view. Side view is going to go over here. We have our front view, the top view, and the side view. Don't label them. I understand what's supposed to be where, so please don't label them for me. We're going to skip over 1 inch, just as we always do. We're going to skip over 1 inch so that we don't have our front view and our side view touching each other. Draw a construction line. Side view is going to start right there. You can draw a little circle if you want to. The width here is 1 inch, so the width here is going to be 1 inch. Go over 1 inch. 2 points to make a parallel line. Draw your construction line. If you run into your nameplate, just stop at your name. It's not that big of a deal. Just go down, stop at your name, so you don't run into your name. And there's your side view. Side view is 2 squares, one sitting on top of the other. And darken them in. And there you finish drawing number 1. Each time it's going to get a little more difficult, so pay attention to your measurements.